It's an exciting day today. We are actually heading up to Boulder to check out the Supercharger. It opened a few days ago, and we haven't had a chance to go up to it being open. We've been up to it a few times though, seeing different construction phases and how it's been going, and we actually stopped there on our way to Custer 2 weeks ago, but it was not open yet. So now it is officially open, so we're gonna go check it out. But a lot of things have happened lately, so we figured this would be a good time to kind of do a little bit of news update.
Yeah, probably the biggest one is that they opened up the ordering for performance and all-wheel drive Model 3s.
Huge update for Model 3. A lot of people wanting that performance and that all-wheel drive. Keep in mind though, if you do order an all-wheel drive non-performance, they will be manufacturing and delivering the performance all-wheel drives first. But at least you can secure your spot, configure all that fun stuff. On that note, we will be ordering an all-wheel drive Model 3.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible. It hasn't opened up for us just quite yet.
We keep checking. It looks like they've kind of changed the ordering process slightly. Before, it was based upon if you were a previous owner and when you stood in line, or if you stood in line on the first day, and when you placed that original reservation. It seems like now though they've opened it up so anyone who has placed a reservation on March 31st of 2016, they're opening up ordering process based upon the time of that reservation, without regard to time zone. So if you ordered at 11 a.m. whatever time zone you were in, then they're, as long as it's in the United States. They haven't opened it up outside yet, other countries, but they're opening it up. So anywhere, say you were in 11 a.m., no matter what time zone in the United States, that they are allowing you to order.
Yeah, so can't wait for that video. That'll be coming soon. We'll show you all the configuration and all that jazz. Comment down below though what you think we'd be getting color-wise and everything. But you guys will probably be a little bit surprised. What else is new? I will be actually heading out to LA on Thursday, this coming Thursday, and attending the flamethrower event for the Boring Company.
It's not a flamethrower.
Oh yeah, it's not a flamethrower. Sorry, thank you for that. I will be attending the Not a Flamethrower event and picking up my Not a Flamethrower at noon, and it should be a great time. I will have a videographer with me. We'll probably doing some live streams throughout the day, and then more 4K videos coming soon. Can't wait for that though. Gonna make a road trip out of it just so I don't have to worry about shipping, logistics, any of that jazz. And also it'll be kind of like a last road trip for my car in its current state. Body kit actually did arrive, a video on that hopefully coming Wednesday. There'll be a new wrap involved. It'll be a lot of stuff going on with my car later this summer, so it'll kind of be like the last farewell road trip. But I'll probably be doing some glimpses. We'll be doing some meetups throughout. I'll be trying to do Disney one day, so if any of you guys want to do Disney with us, let us know. Unfortunately though, the way it works out, Scott and David are not able to join me. So I'll have another friend come out with me to help record and everything. But that's huge news too. That should be a pretty fun party. Looking forward to it.
Also, Elon has been sending out a lot of tweets recently, some specifically mentioning the Model 3, but I'm sure that a lot of them will apply to both the Model X and S as well. One person asked about blind spot monitoring, and Elon did say that would be coming to the Model 3 in a future update.
Which would make me assume that it's coming to S and X too.
Yeah.
I don't see why it wouldn't.
It's got all the same hardware.
Exactly.
Pretty much. Also, he did mention the dash cam feature again, I believe. So that's something that I don't think it's coming nearly as soon as the blind spot warning.
Yeah.
But still the possibility of being able to use all of those autopilot cameras for dash cam purposes. My idea would be they would probably just allow you to provide your own USB thumb drive on the USB ports that you already have in your car. That way they don't have to open up a SD card slot anywhere in the car.
I would really hope they would just use the USB slots down there.
Because it's possible that they have some memory in the car that they could use for that, but if it's something you're in an accident and you want to get it downloaded or removed from your car as soon as possible, if they're going to tow the car away or something, you want to just be able to grab that thumb drive and take it with you. Also, somebody asked Elon about the upcoming, more changes to the Model 3, and he tweeted about a possible red interior coming.
Yeah.
And so that, I know it's not my cup of tea, but a lot of people really like having a red upholstery or a red synthetic leather, and they're really looking forward to that.
What it looks like when T Sportline customizes a car, and I actually am a very big fan of like the red interior paired with the right exterior color and everything. It looks very, very sleek, very Ferrari-esque. I think it looks really good, so it'll be curious to see how they do with that.
Yeah, we got to see wasn't it a Model X or a Model S? I think it was Model X that was a red interior.
Yeah.
That we saw that T-Sportline had done.
Also, Tesla did tweet the other day that Tesla as a company has grown in the past 8 years from building 500 cars a year, which were the original Roadsters that we all saw and loved that really sparked Tesla, all the way up to 100,000 cars per year this year. So in 8 years, they have grown very, very quickly, and it's really not looking like it's going to stop anytime soon. We're probably at, what, 500,000 reservations for the Model 3? We don't know exact numbers, but I would probably say right around 500,000 for just that. S and X sales have seen no decline, so I really think it's just uphill from here.
And also concerning that production, as we predicted last year, they are closing in on that 200,000 cars produced and sold in the United States.
Yep.
We predicted that it would be coming in the third quarter of this year, so that would maximize the amount of cars that will be able to take advantage of the federal tax credit.
Yep.
And if, as predicted, they are able to push out that 200,000 delivery until July, which is coming in a few weeks, then that would mean that the $7,500 tax credit would be available for the rest of this year, because it's available for the rest of that third quarter plus a quarter after that, $7,500. So the rest of 2018 would be up to $7,500 depending on your tax situation. After that, the first 2 quarters of 2019 would be eligible for the $3,750 tax credit, and the last 2 quarters of 2019 would be eligible for $1,875.
So basically that would make it anyone buying a Tesla through 2019 would have access to some form of a federal tax credit.
Exactly. It's not going away. I still people all the time. I just read someone the other day saying that if he doesn't get his car by July, he's not going to get the tax credit. That's totally false. The tax credit will be around for at least another 15 months from today, and maybe up to 18, through the end of 2019.
Yeah.
So the tax credit does not just disappear overnight.
So this is the new Supercharger. It is now officially open. How many stalls do we have?
10 stalls. Oh, there's even a...
Oh, there's even a porta potty for your bathroom needs. You're charging.
Boulder! One thing slightly different about this Supercharger, it just says electric vehicle charging only. Typically it has the Tesla logo and it says Tesla electric vehicle charging only. So slight difference there. Don't know if it's a change or a sign of things to come. Get it? Sign of things to come. But it's a little different.
Yeah. So here you can see it's right next to Trader Joe's and Vitamin Shop. So it's just right here, conveniently located. 10 stalls all around here. One pull in here, so that is great in case you have a trailer, but I mean if you do have a trailer you would be sticking out into that road right there, so keep that in mind. But here you can see, all this high voltage, yeah, these are the actual like superchargers themselves. This is where all the magic happens. So there are 5 of these guys, 3 over here, 2 over here, and one of these does power 2 of the actual superchargers, and they can put out 135 kilowatt hours right here, and that is split between the 2 superchargers. So that is why when you do arrive at a supercharger, you want to try to join a supercharger that is not paired with somebody currently charging, because that actually will reduce your charge rate. If they are taking up most of that 135 going to them, you will only get the difference. So that's why just go unpaired whenever possible. And it is very easy to see what the numbers are right there on the front. So here you have 2A and 2B. So like these 2 chargers right here would be powered by one of those units over there. So if somebody was charging on 2B, you really wouldn't want to jump on 2A unless there was no other alternative. So just keep that in mind.
I think I know just what we need.
Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the drone shots of the Boulder Supercharger. Very exciting to have that in addition to everything that we have out here. And a lot of Superchargers coming to Colorado actually. So a lot of really fun things Tesla related coming up. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the news stories too. And definitely follow me. I'll put my social media up. And if you would like updates on the Not a Flamethrower event, I'll make sure that is how I say it. It should be a really fun event. We'll be posting to pretty much every social media at some point or another, so definitely give us a follow. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, feel free to check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. And using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the lifetime you own your vehicle. And it's currently the only way to actually get free unlimited supercharging. So it is definitely a great perk for anyone who does road trips. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.